This video, I am going to explain 8-point DITFFT problem. Let us consider find the 8-point DFT of x of n minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 4, 0, 2 and 0 using radix 2 DITFFT algorithm. First write the samples in the even and odd. So here I have taken all the even samples together. So minus 1, 2, minus 4 and 2. So then I have written x of 0 equal to minus 1, x of 2 equal to 2, x of 4 equal to minus 4 and x of 6 is equal to 2. Then the odd samples. Odd samples all are 0, 0, 0, 0. X of 1 equal to 0, x of 3 equal to 0, x of 5 is equal to 0 and x of 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is my x of n value. From this I have separated all even samples together and all the odd samples together. First, draw 8 horizontal lines. Then plot 8 points. Then again 8 points. This is the first stage. Then join two lines together. So here second line, second point and first point. Then first and second point. Then fourth and third point. Then third and fourth point. Then sixth and fifth point. Then fifth and sixth point. Finally eighth and seventh point. And again 7th and 8th point. Like that, first stage you want to connect all the points. The second stage, 4 points together. So that you want to connect the first point and the third, second and fourth, third and 1, and again the fourth and second point. And again, fifth and seventh line, then sixth and eighth point, seventh and fifth point, eighth and sixth point together. Draw all the cross lines. And in the third stage, 8 points together. First plot the 8 points, then connect the points. First and fifth point, second and sixth point, third and seventh point, fourth and eighth point, downward direction. And in the upward direction, fifth and first point, sixth and second point, seventh and third point, eighth and fourth point. Likewise, first draw the flow graph, all the points connected. Then you just write the x of n value. Here in the first line, base of all the last line should be represented by minus 1. Same way, in the second stage, the base of last 2 lines should be represented by minus 1. And in the third line, the base of last 4 lines should be represented by minus 1. We'll see the problem. First stage. I have written all the values of x of n, x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. All the values I have written. Now I am going to do the butterfly operation. So here the 2 points meet together. So addition minus 1 plus minus 4 together minus 5. And in this point minus 1 minus of minus 4. So equal to plus 4, that is 3. And at this point minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 together 4, and it is in this point 2 minus 2, so 0. This point all the values are 0, so 0. Here also 0 minus 0, 0. Here also 0 and here also 0. So I got the samples for the first stage. Second stage. Now this samples is given as the input to the second stage. Here the last 2 lines are represented by minus 1, and again with the total factor I am going to multiply the last 2 lines. So here minus 5, 2 points are joined together. So here it will come minus 5, 4. So minus 1, here 3 plus 0. So 3, and in here minus 5, and again here 4 into minus 1, so minus 4. So together minus 9, and at this point 3 minus 0. So it is 3. And at this point all the values are 0. So I will get the second part, all the values are written by 0. So I got the samples for the second stage. And in the third stage I written all the samples in the input to the third stage. The last 4 lines are represented by -1, and again the last 4 lines are multiplied with the total factor W8 to the power 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now at this point -1, 0. So -1, and again here 3, 0, 3, and here -9, 0, -9, and again the value is 3 and 0. So 3. Remaining all the values are 0. So the value is represented by 0. Now the x of k should be written in the order wise, but the x of n should be written in the shuffled bit reversal order. So when you write the output, x of k is equal to -1, 3, 9, 3, 0, 0, 0 and 0. This is your final answer. Again one more problem we'll see. Find the 8-point DFT of x of n given 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 using radix to DIT FFT algorithm. First, separate all the even samples and the odd samples separately. So here even 1, 1, 1 and 1. Odd samples are 1, 1, 1 and 0. So first draw the diagram, flowchart for this one, then write the input sample. So x of 0, 1, x of 4, 1, x of 2, 1, x of 6, 1, x of 1, 1, x of 5, 1, x of 3 also 1, x of 0, the value is 0. Now do the operation. So 2 points meeting together, the value is 2. Here also 2 points meeting together, but here 1 minus 1, the value is 0. This point the value 1 plus 1, 2. At this point 1 minus 1, the value is 0. And at this point 1 plus 1, the value is 2. Here 1 minus 1, the value is 0. Here 1 plus 0, the value is 1. Again here 1 minus 0, the value is 1. So you got the output for the first stage. Now this is given as the input to the second stage. Now here you want to do the addition operation at this point. So here 2 plus 2, 4. Here 0 and 0, 0. So here 2 minus 2. So the value is 0 at this point. 0 minus 0, the value is 0. At this point 2 plus 1, the value is 3. And again 0, 0. And again you want to multiply this point with the minus j. So if the value is 1 into minus j, the value is minus j. So you'll get minus j at this point. 2. Here minus 1, the value is 1. And again here 1. You want to multiply along with this one, so you'll get plus j. So plus j. So this is the input given to the third stage. Now given as this input. Now you want to do the addition operation at this point. So 4 plus 3, the value is 7. And at this point 0 and again minus j. So when you add it, you will get 0 minus j, the value is minus j into, you want to multiply with the total factor. That's why you got the value as minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. And at this point 0 and again here minus j into this value with the total factor you want to write. So you'll get minus j. And at this point 0 and again this total factor value here is minus 0.707 into minus j 0.707. So you'll get 0.707 minus j 0.707. At this point 4 minus 3, the value is 1. Again here 0 and again here minus j into minus 1 plus j. Want to multiply again with the total factor. So you'll get 0.707 plus j 0.707. And here plus j. Finally you'll get 0 and again 1 into minus j minus j. When you multiply with this value, you will get minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. So you want to finally write the values. X of k is equal to 7 minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 comma minus j 0.707 minus 0.707 1 0.707 plus j 0.707 j minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. Thank you.